Hi everyone, welcome to another video and an unboxing today. You know, I like my fresh, clean fragrances, and I do like the Kevs of Lacoste because of that. They do some good, fresh, citrusy, clean fragrances. Never tried this one before. It's in a new packaging. All the sort of mainline Lacoste are going into the same sort of bottles, which is what's happened in this case. So today, you can see by the title of the video, is Lacoste. Let's see that. Lacoste Live. It was going cheap, 75ml bottle. It was going cheap, it was like 20 quid or something. So I thought I'll give it a go because I've never tried it. And it used to be in a square bottle. But again, I've never tried it. Always fancy trying it. It's one of the only ones from the brand that I've not yet tried. So I thought I'm bound to be okay with it. I don't think there's a Lacoste that I don't like. Some are better than others, obviously. But I haven't come across one that I was like, oh now. So got this the box. This is first impressions, completely first impressions. Brand new box, brand new scent. So it might need time in the bottle. I just don't know. We'll see. So this is the 75ml. I don't need any more than that. I got too many gallons as it is. Like as I say, so it comes now. The same with Lacoste Red. They all come in this style of bottle now, which I like. I've got it the wrong way around. I like them. I like the gator on the back, see-through design. This one's got blue juice with like a darker blue cap, fitting the theme I would have thought. So here we go. First impressions of Lacoste. Like I say, I do enjoy most Lacoste fragrances. Don't last that long, maybe half a day. It do give some nice, clean, fresh scents. So a couple of sprays on the forearm. Let's see what we get. Yeah, look, fresh, clean, blue scent. The citruses, but it smells like there's a mix of citrus and maybe something like a juniper berry. Got a bit of a cedar wood sort of dryness in its backbone. It's got a similar sort of. It's got a bit of something, bit of musk. It's got a similar vibe to Lacoste Red, but instead of being apple forward like Lacoste Red is, it's more of like a citrus, juniper berry citrusy sort of smell. Quite nice, quite I won't say unique, but it's got certain things about it. That's straight on back of the hand. Yeah, smell it better on the back of the hand. For some reason my skin on the back of the hand is better than my forearm for pushing off fragrance. I don't know what. I already had some on there, but it seemed to have gone. So yeah, like bit of an alcohol. Like the perfume's alcohol at the beginning. You let that burn off, and the scent then will come through. Yeah, everything I've just said really. Look, I'm going to keep this aside for the summertime. That's what it's more designed for, really. Well, when the warmer weather in the spring comes along, that's when I'll crack this out again. I'm going to wear it a couple of times up to then, just to get it down in the bottle a little bit, just open up the scent a little bit, help it out a bit, shake it a couple of times a week. That's what I do with scents, and it sort of opens them up a bit faster. Yeah, it's got a bit of I'd say ever so slight sort of tonka bean feel in the dry down. I say dry down in a couple of minutes. It's got something like that in it, something similar. But overall, pretty nice. You know, it's been out quite a while. You saw it drop off, and I think I discontinued. Not too sure. You rarely saw it around, and then it come back. Same packaging as it used to be when it first released, and then they've moved it into this one. So it must be selling enough for them to put it into one of the newer bottles, like they have everything. Again, same with Lacoste Red. It must sell well enough for it to be on the regular line in these bottles. Yeah, just a regular fresh blue scent, sort of along the lines of Versace Pour Homme. You know, that was sort of fresh blue fragrance without being the modern blue, the sweetness and all that. I haven't really got that. Yeah, nice. Let me know what you think of this. Have you tried it? Do you like it, not like it? Do you agree it's more of a summer type scent like most Lacoste is? Any comments, leave in the comment section. But I quite like that. I will see how we get on with that in the upcoming warmer weathers. So thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Will help me out, and hopefully I'll see you again soon on some more fragrance videos.